Darren Yapik, head coach of the Westside Warriors. I'm Wayne Moore. After a Warriors 3-2 overtime defeat at the hands of the Vernon Vipers, and Darren, a tough 24 hours, but tonight's game, I think you deserved a better fate.
Yeah, it was a really good hockey game, up and down all game. Obviously, in the third period, we got in a little bit of penalty trouble. All of a sudden, we took, 4 or 5 penalties in the third period, 2 5-on-3s, and gets in trouble. And we have to we're rolling with less guys, and the penalty kill me a little tired. And credit to them, took advantage of it, scored a goal on one of their umpteen power plays, and then scored a goal late in overtime to win. Hard-fought game. Both teams played pretty well, given a lot of circumstances out in the ice.
I thought early in the first period and throughout most of the first period, the team looked like they were playing their 4th game in 5 nights.
Yeah, obviously we're a little tired. And we were short out last game. A couple defensemen go out, and so guys are a little bit tired. We've had a big run here, but hey, I thought we played pretty hard and we battled hard, and we'll take a point.
Talk about just dressing 5 defensemen. Drew Morrison went back in the blue line. I thought he played very well.
Yeah, he skates well. He's mobile, very good on his skates, and moves the puck pretty well. He did a good job. Did an excellent job for us tonight.
Your new acquisition played very well. I thought Tyler French had a heck of a game, and you needed a guy that can kill penalties on a night like tonight.
Yeah, no, he's a guy that we brought in to help add our depth to our forward. We thought we were deep there already, but he adds that. He had some experience, a 20-year-old, and it's never a bad thing to have a local West Kelowna guy here.
Again, tonight's hockey game, you had control. It was in the third period, you're up 2-1. It looked like you were sagging a little bit, or the Vipers were coming on, or was it just the penalties?
I think a little bit of both. I think a little bit of all three, actually. I think we're a little tired. Obviously, Vernon stepped it up a notch, and it starts off the very beginning. If to kill a 5-on-3, we did a great job killing there, and then the penalties just kept on going. It was a parade at the penalty box. Obviously, we have to work on our discipline a little bit, and I thought we did a great job killing penalties for the most part. And like I said, we lose a point, but 3 points to 2 in the weekend's pretty good job by us this weekend.
You talked to the referee at the end of the game about that last goal. Did you think it didn't go in?
I don't know. I didn't see it. He didn't see it going either, though, and the linesmen are behind the play saw it, apparently, but he was standing in a good position. Actually, give credit to him. He was in a very good position. I wish he could make his own call.
You get, I believe it's 4 points out of a possible 8 this week. Not what you wanted, but considering the length of the week and 4 games of 5 nights, you pretty pleased?
Yeah, I'm pleased with our effort. And like I said, if we go back, I guess, to Victoria, it seems like a million years ago, but obviously wasn't really happy with the effort there, but played a great game in Penticton. I thought we battled really hard 2 nights on the weekend here against a really good hockey club.